It's a model of a aircraft called the Paulistinha. Paulistinha.
Right.
Which is a Brazilian copy of the Piper Cub.
Oh.
It was made by a company in Sao Paulo, in Brazil, in the 50s and 60s, I believe. And it's similar to a Cub, but a few variations. And this model is actually an ARTF that's been modified a little bit.
Oh really? I've not heard of it. Who makes the kit?
The ARTF's made by World Models.
Oh, World Models. Okay.
Which is imported by Steve Webb.
Steve Webb. Yeah.
In this country.
Yeah.
I didn't buy it. I bought it second hand. It's been for about 3 or 4 owners, I think. But I've modified it a little bit, and it's got an AST 52 4-stroke engine,
which runs really well.
Runs fine. It's perfect for this. Not too much power. It's no good screaming it around the sky.
No,
but it's
not about that, is it?
Not about that. It does what a real Cub would do, plus a little bit more.
Yeah.
And it's I think it's 70-inch, 72-inch wingspan.
Perfect size.
Makes it about a 7th scale, I think, something like that.
Okay. Thanks very much for the demo.
That's
Looked
all right.
really good in the sky.
Thank you.
Cheers for that.
Thank you very much indeed. Thank you. You're welcome.